Crested kingfisher is a large black and white kingfisher native to southern Asia, recognized by its prominent shaggy crest. This species is found near fast-flowing mountain rivers and streams, where it perches on high points to hunt for fish and other prey like frogs, crabs, and insects. They are solitary and territorial, with both parents caring for their young after the female lays a clutch of 4 to 7 eggs. The most prominent feature is a large shaggy crest of black and white feathers. It has a long, powerful beak and lacks